Hey everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today. Guys, I quickly want to show you something from the VIP, which is Boom 500 index. Basically, I dropped a lot of signals today, but I just want to say something on Boom 500. Guys, before I proceed, if you are new to this channel, I would just want you to please, it doesn't cost you anything. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and should next time I drop a video, you'll be able to see it that I've dropped a video. So now guys, on Boom 500 index, you can see the TP and the SL, and we are selling Boom 500 index. So now I'm gonna show you the chart, but before I do, you can see for Boom 500 we won, and this is the result for Boom 500. So I now send another message to the VIP that they can add positions, and probably you can scalp. Is a matter of choice. So then we have these are the second positions that was dropped. As you can see, we have the first entry for the sale above, that's a bit above the price of 3929.290. Then we have another here, which was the second signal that was dropped on Boom 500 index. So guys, I still drop another that I'm gonna sell again. That's after a retest. All right, so we all make money and everybody's fine. Everybody's fine. Now guys, let me show you the the chart for this. All right guys, you see, so this is the beautiful chart that we have for Boom 500 index. Now guys, as you can see from here, we have a very good downslide. But before I'll say something on that of H4, let me take you back a bit to 15 minutes time frame. Guys, you can see on 15 minutes time frame we have a slide down, all right, which is trending that you see. We have a slide down, so this enables us to mark out some positions, which I will probably say the position is starting from my entry. All right, you can see this is my entry. Let me drop this here. You can see I'm working with this second line now. You see, this is my entry because I know definitely that after a retest, you can see the chart has been coming down. Let me use an arrow. You can see it has been coming down. All right, when it gets to this point, then we have a spike up at this point. Then I have to like pick my entry from here, and from there you can see it went straight down here. So this is one of the reasons why I sent the signal again that people should buy. Then from the VIP to the free group, everybody benefited from this signal because it's a powerful signal. So guys, now let's go to M30 time frame. You see on M3's time frame, you can see we have a very good trend down. You see, let me keep this here, then let me delete this. Sorry, the page should not be too crowded. Then we have a very good sliding down. You can see it's coming down. So guys, if you want to trade this for this kind of chart, you wait for a spike. Then after the spike, then you go in. After the spike, you can add multiple positions, because I remember when this trade was actually, I had the entry in, then it later it goes up on lower time frame. Then I had to wait. Then we have all the trend coming down yet. So guys, if you want to trade any chart trend, what you do is you get in for a sniping entry. That's after a retest you get in. All right, so that's one of the best way that will not that will not keep you waiting anytime you're trading. So guys, that's how it is on M30 time frame, TF, yeah, time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame. And guys, I want you to notice something higher time frame on H1 time frame. All right, now let me shrink it like this. Now what do you see? Because for every chart speaks. Now let me show you for those who haven't seen anything. Then we have one arrow up here, then we have another arrow down, which is forming M pattern. Do you notice that, guys? So all these things, they works. All right, but I want you to notice something, that the style this is using on M freezer. See, now let me bold the screen so that, excuse me, so that you can see it clearly. You can see the M pattern. All right, but the logic that it's using at around this point here is quite different from what it's used here. All right, all similar. You can see it's spiking up, coming down, spiking up, coming down. That's why I stick with this particular pairs today, which is boom 500 index. All right, you can see it's spiking up, coming down, spiking up, coming down, spiking up, coming down, spiking up, coming down. And at all this point, that's where we have the lower high, then the lower low at this point. All right, you can see it forms a very good M pattern shape, which is one of the conditions for taking this trade on boom 500 index. And as you can see in the previous screen, how I dropped the signal that people should enter multiple positions on this particular trade. So guys, that's it for this trade. And lastly, let's go to H4 time frame to see, because it's very important, very necessary that you check all time frames before you make your entry. And probably you can even go to daily TF. So when you go to the daily time frame, you'll be able to see what is happening on higher time frame before you can make your decisions. All right, so now on H4 time frame, you can see we're having something like this. All right, you can see the M pattern. All right, you see the M pattern, and also you can see the trend that is coming down. All right, so if it's very good for you to spot a trend down, it's a good thing. You're gonna get a lot of money. So guys, there is mentorship going on, one-on-one classes, and we have combined classes. I'll add you to the group. It's just one-time payment, and excuse me, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I just want you to do subscribe to the channel, and I'll be uploading more videos for you guys so that you can see and you can learn from all the free video tutorials that I dropped on this channel. So guys, it's fast approaching the TP area, which is at 3892.245. so it will soon get there probably, but that doesn't mean that a spike will not occur. When spike occurs, you should be fearless, because the trend is a downtrend and it's forming an M. It has formed an M pattern. We're just waiting for the last swing of the M pattern to complete. So this is exactly what I have for you today, guys. Please comment and give me a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Check in the description below for you to join the Telegram, where I dropped the free signals. So guys, that's it for today. I want you to stick to the channel, stay put for the next video that I'm gonna be dropping here on the channel. Bye bye, stay safe, God bless us all.